This is delicious. Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make an amazing chocolate chip cookie. It's a 1-minute cookie, guys, in our microwave. It's the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Let's start with melted butter, guys. Don't worry, everything's in the description. We're adding just a tad bit of brown sugar and a drop of milk because there are no eggs. Blend this together, guys. Just stir it until it's nice, smooth, and creamy. Next, we're going to add in our dry ingredients, guys. Flour, baking soda, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Make sure your dough comes together, and then, guys, add in as many chocolate chips as you want. I like a lot. Guys, from here, guess what? We're going to form this cookie by hand. Just pick it up and make it into a cookie, guys. Now, this is a pretty big size cookie, and one cookie is a really good size serving. So put it together and lay it out on parchment paper. Form your cookie, and we're going to put this in our microwave for exactly 1 minute. Now, please take note, guys. Everyone's microwave is different, so your microwave might take a few more seconds. So between 1 minute and 1 minute and 15 seconds should be enough. But mine comes out perfect every time on 1 minute. So let's get over to the microwave so we can pop it in and pop it out. Okay, guys. Oh, it smells delicious. Ooh, it's hot. I better grab something to get it out with. Now, guys, when you take your cookie out, it's going to be soft. It's supposed to be soft. Ooh, look at that cookie. Yes. Guys, make sure you let that cookie sit for at least 5 minutes so it can set and firm up. Oh, my goodness. Look at this amazing chocolate deliciousness, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. This is delicious.